Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen that natural gas is trading at a level of $2.8040. Okay. And this is a U pattern is forming. As you can see looking at this particular chart, this is a bigger U pattern is forming. And if you look at this particular trend, there is a breakout happens. I have already explained you that as soon as started going above a level of $2.75, chances was very high that we can see the price will move further upside. May of 2023. Okay, and now if you look at a longer view, this is a short view. Longer view, if you look at it, the other view what we have seen, a U pattern is forming here. That means these levels are already being tested here. Okay, and now it has already sustained above a level of $2.75. See, now it is trading above a level of 2.7 and it is trading at a level of $2.8. And chances can be high, we can see a further upside till the time it is not crossing a level of 2.75. Okay, this is the second thing. Third thing is that there is a bigger U pattern is forming, which is clearly indicating that the price, if it started going below a level of 2.3 again, or even if it moves below a level of 2.5, chances will be very high that we will see it will fall further down and it will come towards a level of 2.3, and from there it will cross a level of around $2 also, which is on a high side. That if the price started, because there will be clear pattern forming if the price started moving below a level of 2.5. Okay, and if started moving below that level, a further downfall we can. This is what 2-3 things you have to understand. First thing is that it has sustained above a level of 2.75. So till the time it is sustaining this level, a further upside movement we can see. Second thing is that if it started moving below a level of $2.5, we will see a further downfall. And then there is a probability that it can move below a level of $2 also. And there is a clear pattern forming. After pandemic, there is a clear pattern forming that whenever it is hitting a new high, we have seen a fall is coming as well as a swing is forming. That is where it is going upside. See, first, second, third, fourth and fifth continuously, and for the sixth time it would have sustained, but it didn't sustain, tries to go upside. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now let's focus and see how the price, if it's sustained. Chances are very high, yes, if the price sustain, we can see it will move above a level of $2.8579. Okay, the price, if it sustain, we will see it will cross that level, and from there it will go towards a level of around $3.0017. Okay, and if the price started going above that level, we will see it will cross a level of around $3.10115. Okay, and if it started going above that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of 3.3115. Keep that in mind that as soon as it started, see, I've already started above 2.7, now crossed a level of 2.80, and it can touch a level of $2.8759. If started going above this level, we will see it will cross a level of around $3 and it will touch a level of 3.1, and from there a level of $3.3. And both these levels are being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will move further upside. And once started going above that level, we will see it will touch a level of around $3.579. Okay, and if started going above a level of 3.5, then we will see it will cross a level of around $3.6728. Okay, and once the price started sustaining above a level of $3.6728, it will cross that level and a probability of touching a level of $3.9427. Okay, and if it started going up this level, we will see this gap will be filled to a level of 4.1 to a level of $4.35. This is what we can see, that this gap can be filled, and once started going above that level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, now if the price started going above 4.35, a further high we can see. Now understand, see, market is always uncertain. If you are thinking that the market will move as per you, no, it will not. You have to understand and analyze. See, if you don't know where the market is going, always try to follow the price action. Okay, and with the price action, always try to set your SL as per your risk. Okay, so that your capital can be saved. If your capital is saved, then you can trade a longer view, and once you are in profit, always try to save your profit. Okay, if you are saving your profit, then their risk capability will increase, and then you can go for a further further return can come. Okay, if you are saving your profit, and your confidence will also build. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, because you have to understand on both the sides. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again towards a level of $2.7489 if the price didn't sustain. Okay, and if it started going below that level, we will see it will touch a level of 2.6512. Okay, if the price started moving below a level of 2.6512, a further fall we can see. From there we can see a level of $2.5170. Okay, if it started moving below this particular zone, then there is a higher chances, because there will be a pattern forming. So chances will be high it will move further down towards 2.3663, and from there a probability of moving below a level of 2.2 we can see. This 2.2 is already being a weak support, so chances are high a further downfall we can see, and from there it will go below a level of $2.73, because this level is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will fall further down. And yes, from there a probability of going towards $1.932. Okay, and if it started going below this level, a probability of going towards 1.78. Okay, and if it started going below a level of 1.78, a further fall we can see towards a level of $1.585. Okay, and from there a further downfall. You have to understand looking at this particular chart, because chances are very high we can see a further fall, that the price fall below a level of 2.3, it will move below a level of $2 also, and from there it will cross a level of 1.9 to a level of 1.7, and then from there $1.858. Okay, if started going below this level, a further downfall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please